Hey there, do-it-yourself YouTubers. This is a restoration story. How we reduce, reuse, and recycle. I found this cast iron bench at a friend's house. He was about to throw it away. So I thought, what a great Mother's Day present. I took this rusty bench and transformed it using just some white vinegar, baking soda, scrubbing it down aggressively. Vinegar and baking soda are natural, eco-friendly. This was a super fun project. It got me outdoors, it got me, burning some calories. I think it would be a really fun project for kids at home to do with their fathers, potentially for mom. And it's such a great thing when you get to see something that is about to get thrown away, taking up space in our landfill, and you get to be a part of restoring it and making it beautiful again. It's just so fun and exciting. So hard work does pay off, guys. So now that the rust is removed, we went ahead and did the spray paint. Obviously not the best thing for the environment. However, it really does make it super quick and easy. I know that there are eco-friendly spray paints out there, so hopefully you can find some of those. And look at that, guys. It's just so pretty now. And it's so exciting when you see it all beautiful and new. The next step is to find the wood. The wood on this bench in particular was just totally rotted. You get some new wood, you get a stain any color you'd like. There's all kinds of different variables and colors and choices and creativity that's involved. Then you will get another chance to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Find an item of clothing that no longer fits or has holes in it, and then you take that sock or that rag or that piece of fabric that was going to take up space in the landfill anyway, and you take that stain and massage your wood, make it a new beautiful color. Now that you have all the beautiful parts, it's time to put them together. I needed a little help with this step. Nail it into the cast iron, and look what this bench became. Oh. Look at it. Doesn't it look amazing? Never underestimate the power of flowers and throw pillows and a nice porch rug. It goes a long way. My mom was super happy. It was a great Mother's Day present. Please like, share, and subscribe. All of the products used in this video are linked below. Thank you so much. See you soon. And don't forget, go with the flow.